Sergeant Cook? Sergeant Cook?
Sergeant Cook reporting, ma'am.
State your name and current location. State your location moments ago.
Lieutenant Kanoa, I ain't answering any of those ridiculous questions.
It is procedure, Sergeant Cook. We have to be sure once you enter the snow, you're mentally stable. Did you see or hear anything before you entered the area?
I saw and heard what I needed to hear to make sure I come back to this physical world, to make sure I succeed, I am successful in this mission, Lieutenant.
That is an invalid answer.
Who is that?
This is Corporal Armovsky. He will be taking point on the mission.
Is that guy a rookie? I know they did not send a rookie on this mission with.
He was with me when Corporal Johnson disappeared.
Yes, she must